Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make some cinnamon rolls. Drum roll please. Until I started making this myself, I didn't know I actually liked this pastry. So like my channel, follow, engage, and let's get down to this gorgeous dish. So in my flour, I'll be adding some sugar, some yeast. I use dried yeast, a bit of salt. I'm going to stir that up. I'm going to add my whole milk, some oil. I'll leave all the measurements in the description box below. Now I've added an egg. Mix that up. You can use a standing mixer. I don't have one yet, but I should. Then I'm going to be adding my flour bit by bit. This is about half a cup. So I'll be adding that bit by bit until it forms into a very malleable dough. So I'll lightly dust my surface and transfer it into the dough. Now this cinnamon roll, this recipe fits for like if you want to share among just like 2 people or 4 persons. So it works out fine. So we're going to knead it lightly and nicely, just like that. Oh, this is so good. Oh my god. So we're just going to knead that. I don't like cinnamon roll bought in the supermarket. There's just something wrong about it, really. So once we're formed, I'm going to add some oil into our bowl, turn it, and then cover it and allow it to rise for about 2 hours or thereabout until it doubles in size. So down to our cinnamon sugar, some brown sugar, and I'm going to add some cinnamon. All the measurements will be in the description box, like I said earlier. Now, rather than using flour, I oiled my surface and also oiled my rolling pin, and I'm going to roll this out until it's flat, probably like about 1 inch thick. So roll that out. Now I'm going to apply some butter. You can also use margarine, and this will help the cinnamon sugar to latch on properly to the dough. Now we're going to roll that. Roll. Yeah, you can tell I'm actually excited. So we're going to roll that up and then pinch the sides, and then we're going to partition it so it will be easy to cut. Now fam, I first started using knife. I realized the struggle was real. Then I switched to using a rope, and it cut out nicely and faster. Look at that. So we're going to cover that up until it doubles in size. Just look fam, look how gorgeous it looks. And we'll bake it. I think we'll bake it for about 20 minutes in the oven, and it was ready. So fam, see how gorgeous? Let's take one and test. Oh my goodness, this was so good. Like, it was orgasmic. Look at the bottom. Just look at the bottom, fam. That's to tell you how good it was. I had mine alone, and I took the rest to the office to share. So thank you. Until next time, guys. Mwah.